T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff of Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go NROL-105.
Falcon is pitching downrange.
M1D chamber pressures are nominal.
At T plus 33 seconds and counting, Falcon 9 has lifted off from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. In just a few seconds, we'll throttle the engines down in preparation for Max Q, which stands for Maximum Dynamic Pressure.
Power and telemetry nominal.
It's the moment in the launch where the vehicle experiences the greatest mechanical stresses,
Vehicle supersonic.
the most that it will see during its ascent. To help go from vertical to horizontal, the first stage will be performing a maneuver known as
Max
gravity.
Q.
And there's Max Q. Falcon 9 has just passed through Max Q. The rocket typically needs to go 17,500 miles per hour horizontally in order to avoid being pulled back to Earth
And back chill.
and get into orbit. As you just heard, we're chilling the MVAC engines in preparation for stage separation. So we now have several events coming up in quick succession, and we should hear all of them called out by mission control, starting with main engine cutoff, or MECO, then stage separation, stage 1 flip, SES-1, and the boost back burn. MECO is where we shut down all 9 M1D engines on the first stage. Stage separation is where the first and second stages of Falcon separate from one another. Stage 1 flip is when the booster uses its nitrogen gas thrusters to flip the booster around. Depending on the mission, Falcon may perform a fast or slow flip. Today, the booster will perform a fast flip because it will be returning to land.
MECO. Stage separation confirmed. MVAC startup. Stage 1 boost back startup.
And confirmation for that series of events, which again were MECO, stage separation, stage 1 flip, SES-1, and the boost back burn. Coming up next will be fairing separation in about 30 seconds. The fairing will jettison from the second stage, as it is no longer needed to protect the payload once we are in space. As mentioned earlier, we will be attempting to retrieve these fairing halves once they fall back to Earth. We should be hearing that call out any second now.
Fairing separation confirmed.
And there's that good call out for fairing separation.